Hello, hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So for my DIY vlog today, hari ni kita akan buat something a bit different. Saya akan tunjukkan cara macam mana nak buat hantaran kalis Mak Cik Bawang. So it's a Mak Cik Bawang Proof kind of hantaran for everyone. Alright, it's very simple, senang je nak buat, and everything will cost for each hantaran bawah daripada RM25. So murah saja. So my life have been going on a full circle. So daripada budak yang jatuhkan hantaran, nak adik! Jadi budak yang tolong buatkan hantaran. So last weekend my brother got married and I decided to help out with his hantaran, and I saw this thing all over Twitter. It became viral and everything, what they call the hantaran balut. So I pun saja nak try for my brother to help him out. So I tweeted the picture of the end result, and everyone keep on asking me how to do, where to get the box, where to get the kain and everything. So today I'm going to do a short video explaining on what to do and how to do it. So let's get started with all the stuff that you need. So here are all the stuff that you need for this hantaran balut. So the first thing that you need is a box. I ada letak link mana nak beli dekat bawah. You guys can check them out. Kain of your choice. Okay, so some people prefer maybe kain batik, or it can be satin or brocade or songket or kain plekat or kain batik whatsoever. But me personally, I would prefer this kind of kain. It looks like satin, but it's not. It's actually kain langsir, which is super cheap. And other than that, kain dia keras, so senang dibentuk. So other than that is the flowers of your choice. Okay, bunga ni boleh dapat dekat mana-mana tempat. SSF ada, or kaison, or dekat GM Klang, or anywhere. Plastic flowers, of course, there's a lot of types. Yang nampak sangat real tu probably lagi mahal. Yang nampak macam plastik sikit, probably a bit cheaper, like RM6.50. So RM6 sangat berbaloi and it's pretty. Kalau macam ni, you can get it for only RM10. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to use different type of flowers for your hantaran balut. Last but not least, all you need is getah rambut like this. Get the thicker one, the one that you bought at H&M or wherever yang berkualiti. And last but not least is double-sided tape. This is super useful for everything. So alright, jom kita start sekarang. Let's start with the box first. So for this box, it's actually really, I suka dia punya size. Size dia just nice. Dia sama size lebih kurang dengan kotak kasut. And again, for those who ask when I beli, a link is down below. Tada, dah siap. So it's super easy to assemble, senang je. And first of all, you need to know which side is the right side. One is the shiny one to be outside, and yang lebih matte ni dekat dalam. Paling penting untuk nampak sangat kemas adalah korang kena gosok dulu. You need to iron this out flat, and the good thing about kain langsir, it will stay flat for a while before it crumples. Okay, but before that, I want to show you guys an example of how to put the stuff inside the box. So here are some example how you put it. You can put bunga-bunga dekat tepi ni, or what I personally like, put some white shredded paper and then put this stuff on it nicely and neatly. Dan ada yang tanya macam mana kalau dalam hantaran tu nak bagi cake. Okay, so what I did was I gave this box to the baker, which is my cousin, the baker. I asked him to, can you make a cake into this box, this particular size? And dia kata boleh. And the best thing about it, you don't need to buy cake sampai 200 lebih, 500 lebih. Lepas tu takut nanti manalah tahu terjatuh. Just get a nice delicious cake, and then you can just balut the cake sehari sebelum the majlis, because it's super easy to balut this thing. Okay, starting out with the box, kita nak bila balut yang one of this dekat tengah-tengah. Okay, so you need to know the size. So you tarik ni dulu, dia habiskan kat sini. So you boleh tahu bila nak balut ni, dia just nice. You just take the double-sided tape. You pull this part to make sure dia ketat dan padat. And after that, tutup je kat sini and make sure dia jatuh dekat tengah-tengah. Alright, and then after you dah letak your double-sided tape dekat sini, just nicely here. Okay, so don't worry about the bulu-bulu up here. You can just cut it off easily, no problem. You can see the box looks really nice. After that, you got this like gula-gula kat lebih ni. Pay attention to this part because this part, kalau kau tak kemas, it will show in your presentation at the end. What you need over here is another double-sided tape. But this one you don't need very long, sikit je. Push a little bit yang bawah ni, and then you tarik dia ke bawah betul-betul sampai ke sini. So you get a nice smooth straight line over here. And after that, take both of the edges and just kawinkan dia. Okay? Make sure dia ketat dan padat. But it's fine, if it wrinkled throughout the way, you can always iron on the box. And after you got this, just leave it here and take the other part over here and do the same as well. Okay, so sekarang what you need is the getah rambut. Make sure you get the thick, nice one like this. Alright, so I'm gonna take one for my hair. Right now, this part itu dia dah kemas cantik. So when you put it like this, is take this part and I'll just pleat it like this. So you'll get a nice looking pleated bow like this at the side. That looks nice, right? Now what you need to do is, instead of tying it up like this, you tying it down like this. So how you're gonna do it is that, like this, put it in front, terbalikkan dia ke depan. So you dapat all the pleats over here, cantik. And then take the hairband over here, and then turn another round. So it will look something like this at this moment. Memang tak cantik, but then the end result will look pretty nice. So dekat sini you boleh ketatkan, you tarik di depan. And then you go back to the middle parting and you selitkan dia ke bawah. So there you go, we are almost done. It looks like a bow. If you ada kain lebih, you can just tie another one round in the middle to make it look like a bow. Okay, so untuk bunga, for your pilihan, I would prefer something that is like this. Dia dah bertangkai and it looks really nice. You just need to put on top and it's literally done. Or if you buy something like this, it's still acceptable. You can cut off the pieces one by one of the flowers and turn it into something like this. And I just bend it like this, like an L shape. So after I bend it into an L shape, all I needed to do is to, what do you call this? Insert this in the middle of the bow. Like that. So there's one. There you go. Super simple, super easy. There's one way to put it. Let's say if you're using this type of flowers, you can either insert it as well like the L, or probably you just insert it like this. For this type, you can just insert it like this to make it look like a bow, like this. Or you can get another one and insert it right here so you get you can get two flowers on both sides. If you're using this type of flowers and if you're planning on reusing them again, you can, no problem. What you need to do is make sure where you want to put it. Like for me, I like it to go slightly horizontal like this, like that. Alright, so what I need to do is take this part and just fold it in. 1 and 2. And that is all. Wait, let me show you here. And that is all you need to do. Let me show you how to insert this. You just put it in like that, and then take the flowers where you want it to be. There you go. Super simple, sleek, and nice for your hantaran. So this is how you make hantaran kalis Mak Cik Bawang. So the hantaran inside will just be for the bride and groom to enjoy and not for the Mak Cik Bawangs. Alright? So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That's all for my DIY vlog today. Till next time. Bye!